Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix dark mode is not showing on Instagram. Because somebody complained to me that whenever I enter his Instagram account and go to the settings to locate the accessibility and translation to on the dark mode, the option for the dark mode did not is to show, as you can see. The option is not showing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that you are going to turn your phone into a dark mode. You are going to turn on dark mode. But I know some of you don't like that dark mode due to your preferred theme. But for the people that will like to turn the dark mode, for now I'm going to give you this solution. Go to your settings and go to display. When you go to display, turn this option into dark mode. Choose the dark mode. When you choose the dark mode, go back to your Instagram account, and immediately you go back, it's going to turn the Instagram to a dark mode. And let me go to the dark mode option and show you that this dark mode that I'm telling you is not on, it is off. As you can see, the dark mode is off, but due to my phone dark mode option that I turn on, the dark mode is enabled inside my Instagram account or Instagram application. So now for those of you that don't want to turn on the dark mode, I will give you one solution. Go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, search for Instagram. After searching for the Instagram, update the Instagram. Or before updating it, you can uninstall the Instagram and come to your Play Store and reinstall it again. So guys, you can try this method, and I will keep updating you guys if there's another method. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.